Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your design system and Storybook for brand components step by step clearly. Open your Storybook project. Navigate to your design system folder. Locate the brand components you need to update. Review the current documentation for each component. Identify any changes or new designs that need to be incorporated. Update the styles of the components as per the new guidelines. Modify the component code to reflect these changes. Ensure that you are adhering to accessibility standards. Add any new components required for the updated designs. Update existing stories for components in Storybook. Test each component in isolation within Storybook. Check the responsive behavior of each component. Document any prop changes in the Storybook documentation. Update version numbers if necessary. Run your Storybook to verify that all components are displaying correctly. Collaborate with your team for feedback on the updated components. Address any issues or suggestions provided by your team. Finalize the updates and ensure everything is functioning as expected. Commit your changes to the version control system. Push your updates to the main repository. Notify your team that the design system has been updated in Storybook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.